Building wealth through frugality is a smart and effective way to achieve your financial goals. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can save more, spend less, and build a solid foundation for long-term wealth. So, here are ways which you can use to build wealth through frugality. Number one is track your expenses. Start by understanding where your money is going. Keep track of all your expenses, whether big or small, or for at least a month. This will help identify areas where you can cut back and save more. The number two, create a budget. Develop a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Set limits for different spending categories and allocate your income accordingly. Prioritize essential things such as housing, utilities, and groceries, and limit spending on non-essential items. The number three, differentiate between needs and wants. Distinguish whether you need something or whether you want it. So focus on fulfilling your needs first while being mindful of your wants. So practice delayed gratification and avoid impulsive purchases. Consider whether an item or experience aligns with your long-term financial goals while spending money on it. The fourth one, cut back on necessary expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. This might include reducing dining out or eating out, entertainment expenses, subscription services like Netflix, or unnecessary shopping. Now look for alternative ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank, such as exploring free or low-cost activities in your community. The fifth one is prioritize saving and investing. So, allocate a portion of your income to savings and investment. Aim to save a percentage of your income consistently. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account to make it easier and more convenient. Explore different investment options such as low-cost index funds or retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. Number 6, reduce debt and avoid new debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Allocate extra funds towards debt repayment and consider debt consolidation or refinancing options to lower interest rates. Avoid accumulating new debt whenever possible. Instead, try to live within your means and use credit responsibly. Number 7, practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and values. Do you really need it? Ask yourself that question. Consider long-term value and utility of an item or service. Consider prices discount. Look for opportunities to save. Avoid impulsive buys and give yourself time to evaluate whether a purchase is necessary or truly add value to your life. The 8th one, seek frugal living. Now explore resources, books, and online communities that provide frugal living tips. Learn from others who have successfully built wealth through frugality. Share experiences, ideas, and strategies to stay motivated and find creative ways to save money. The number 9, focus on long-term goals Building wealth through frugality is a long-term endeavor. Stay committed to your financial goals and remain patient. Celebrate small milestones along the way to stay motivated and reinforce possible financial habits. The 10th one is continuously educate yourself. Continue learning about personal finance, investing, and frugal living strategies. Stay informed about money management techniques, investment opportunities, and ways to increase your financial literacy. The more knowledge that you acquire, the more better equipped you will make informed financial decisions. Now remember, building wealth through frugality requires discipline, consistency, and a focus on your long-term financial goals. So by adopting a frugal mindset, being mindful of your spending and prioritizing saving and investing, you can lay a strong foundation for financial security and wealth accumulation. So, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm so that it will be pushed out to people out there. I will see you on the next one.